Question number 1. The study of absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion of drug is referred as option A. Pharmacology, B. Pharmacokinetics, C. Pharmacodynamics, D. Pharmaceutics. Answer B. Pharmacokinetics. Question number 2. Which of the following route of drug administration is mostly likely to lead to the first pass effect? Option E. Sublingual, B. Oral, C. Intravenous, D. Intramuscular. Answer B. Oral. Question number 3. Dioxin is not given when heart rate is option A. Below 50, B. Below 60, C. Above 70, D. Above 80. Answer B. Below 60. Question number 4. Atropine is commonly used prior to administration of inhalant anesthetics to reduce option A. Muscle tone, B. Secretion, C. Nausea and vomiting, D. All of above. Answer B. Secretion. Question number 5. Phenytoin is used in the treatment of option A. Petit mal epilepsy, B. Grand mal epilepsy, C. Myoclonic seizure, D. All of above. Answer B. Grand mal epilepsy. Question number 6. Antidote for overdose of warfarin is option A. Protamine sulfate, B. Heparin, C. Atropine sulfate, D. Vitamin K. Answer D. Vitamin K. Question number 7. Which of the following analgesic is preferred in elderly patient? Option A. Aspirin, B. Morphine, C. Diclofenac sodium, D. Ampicillin. Answer C. Diclofenac sodium. Question number 8. The drug that increase both systolic and diastolic pressure for prolonged period is option A. Dopamine, B. Dobutamine, C. Epinephrine, D. Efferin. Answer D. Efferin. Question number 9. The drug administered during acute anaphylactic reaction is option A. Adrenaline, B. Aminophylline, C. Atropine, D. Furosemide. Answer A. Adrenaline. Question number 10. Which of the following is not an osmotic diuretic? Option A. Furosemide, B. Glycerol, C. Isoniazid. D. Mannitol. Answer A. Furosemide. Question number 11. The diuretic should be administered early in morning to option A. Prevent drug-food interaction. B. Prevent nausea and vomiting. C. To avoid nausea. D. To promote absorption. Answer C. To avoid nausea. Question number 12. Which of the following drug is used to prevent blood clotting during hemodialysis procedure? Option A. Aspirin. B. Heparin. C. Protamine sulfate. D. Mannitol. Answer B. Heparin. Question number 13. Increased suicidal tendencies associated with option A. Low level of serotonin. B. High level of serotonin. C. Low levels of dopamine. D. High level of dopamine. Answer A. Low level of serotonin. Question number 14. The drug of choice for partial seizure is option A. Carbamazepine. B. Barbiturates. C. Diazepam. D. Zidovudine. Answer A. Carbamazepine. Question number 15. Teratogenicity refers to option A. Toxic action on the liver. B. Toxic action of fetus. C. Toxic action of blood system. D. Toxic action of kidneys. Answer B. Toxic action of fetus. Question number 16. Which of the following drug is an example of proton pump inhibitors? Option A. Pantoprazole. B. Ranitidine. C. Famotidine. D. Sucralfate. Answer A. Pantoprazole. Question number 17. Morphine is contraindicated in which of the following condition? Option A. Angina. B. Bronchial asthma. C. Pancreatitis. D. Myocardial infarction. Answer B. Bronchial asthma. Question number 18. Paracetamol is an option A. Antipyretic. B. Antiemetic. C. Antibiotic. D. Antihistamine. Answer A. Antipyretic. Question number 19. Which of the following drug may cause grey baby syndrome? Option A. Chloramphenicol. C. Penicillin. C. Doxycycline. D. Kanamycin. Answer A. Chloramphenicol. Question number 20. Antidote for organophosphorus poisoning. Option A. D. Penicillamine. B. Atropine. C. Magnesium sulfate. D. Methotrexate. Answer B. Atropine.